When it comes to family adventures, your dog is always ready to join in the fun, and ECD values each member of the family. At E.C.D Auto Design, we believe that every adventure should include the whole family, including your loyal companions. Our custom-built Defenders are designed and built with everyone in mind, including our tail-wagging family members. Your love for your dog knows no bounds, and at E.C.D Auto Design, we understand, therefore neither do the options to customise your pet-friendly Defender. Every detail of your Defender can be tailored to reflect the deep bond you share with your loyal companion. From custom dog beds integrated into the cargo area and ramps for easy access, the possibilities are endless. Choose from durable, weather-resistant upholstery to withstand the most adventurous pups, or add in special features such as rear AC and high-level fans to keep your dogs cool on hot days. With ECD, your Defender becomes more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling testament to the unconditional love and care you have for your dog, ensuring that every journey you take together is as comfortable, safe and enjoyable as possible. Whether it's a day at the park or a road trip across the country, your ECD Defender is built to create unforgettable memories with the entire family. These happy pups are all looking for their forever homes. We're proud to partner with Merciful Projects in Tampa, where you can find your next best friend, because every journey is better with a dog by your side. Your family, your Defender, the perfect match. Visit ECD Auto Design and Merciful Projects to start your next adventure today.